Alright guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, definitely watch my other videos. It's a lot of crazy the run through it's going on with these older speakers. Now today we have a Bonce Neodymium magnets. This is the Arnold series. It's the most expensive one from the Bonce lineup in the 6.5 inches. And I have a PRV, also Neodymium magnets. You guys can see on the links below on the description for the both speakers. I just run like 3 different experiments. I run this guy with the Ryan. I run these guys with the ferret magnet, the smaller Arnold series, the regular magnet Arnold series, and we're gonna keep running with the different speakers, right? PRV, it's advertised this speaker like a full range speaker. This guy is gonna play a lot higher than any other mid-range speakers. It's like a Twitter range. It's playing this guy. And the price wise, this guy is going to be $220. This guy, it's going to be $243. Now on sale, definitely check the website. On this guy also I have a link on the below. The previous video, the PRV, it was killing the BEMA, the sound quality, sound outputs, price, and the RMS, 250 watt RMS, right? And this guy, it was a nice sounding speaker. It will play a lot higher. So I'm recording on the 2 microphone, 1 microphone right there. This is the spare, and I have a all the way down. You guys can hear louder when I play them. So let's start with the music. I'm playing the same music all on my videos because you can hear from the video to other video, so you can see compare the different speakers all the time. Right? Let's do it. We're gonna give them full range. So we're not gonna cut any frequency, like we're gonna get the flat. And after then, when we max it out with the coin jump, we're gonna cut 200 and up, a lot higher the power. We're gonna start playing with the vocals, this nice vocal. I'm gonna start from PRV. Oh, that's a lot of power. Almost burned the speaker. Full range. I'm not playing loud now. Just see the sound quality.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in the clouds, you're delusional. In an ocean of all this emotion,
As you know, it's whatever button I press, that speaker is plays. If you're new to my channel, if you're new, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I'm in the live chat right now, so we're chatting with the guys. If you have any question, definitely let me know. So now we're gonna play the different song and a little bit louder now. So you see the PRV gives like a lot more bass than Arnold.
take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Now Arnold is killing the PRV with the brightness, but the PRV is like a lot nice, you know, the deeper bass. So now we're gonna tune these 200 and up. Now I'm gonna give a lot louder, so we can play a lot louder now. That's the tweeters. These are not speakers. These are the tweeters. Let me cut the upper a little bit so you guys can hear the better.
Spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Let's escape.
That's it. So we're gonna play a different song too. These speakers are like too loud. If you have only 4 of them, it's, I don't know, it's more than enough. If not doing the concert in any festivals, just listen in the car, just hear the music in your car. It's gonna be more than enough. These two, like 4 speakers of 4, either like a front and back doors, or just you know, the pods in the front. It's gonna be more than enough. Like, it's like really loud sounding speakers. Don't compare these speakers with the coaxial component speakers. Like they are like, it doesn't play even half volume than these guys. Let me play the different song. That's my favorite song. I can give a little bit, oh shit, it's gonna be loud now. I can give a little bit more power on the PRV, but I see that I have a room there, but I'm very scared to give. Oh shit, if you want to get, you know, I try to give a little bit more power for PRV because I'm giving the almost the same output with the Ryan, so I'm gonna give a little bit more, but I'm not gonna give this guy too much. It smells. Surprise. I almost, oh shit, it smells. So I'm giving too much power. Relax, guys. I don't wanna kill the PRV. This is a really good speaker. It's still alive. I don't want to give this guy. I don't want to give that much power for the Arnolds because I don't know, the speaker material is not giving me some trust. You understand? Like it can play it. Ryan, I play the both Ryans, the Niobium and the ferrite magnet the same, and a little bit more power because that Ryan is like a 400 RMS, so it handled. It was jumping, giving the bass, and it was handling. But the PRV, it's get smelly. Yeah, alright, so conclusion, guys, the both speakers are amazing. If you want to get a little bit like upper and a little bit louder without investing a lot of money for the amplifier, Arnold is a very good speaker. But as I said on my previous video, I don't want to keep repeating that, but it's you're gonna be very careful. This is like a dragster. You need the perfect surface, perfect straight line to, you know, to keep your vehicle like a race, and you're gonna get the good results. But I have tons of Ryan's other speakers. You can get a little bit bass, you can get a little bit mids, you can get a little bit high, like these kind of speakers, right? And also, it's like, for my opinion, the price and outputs, I think nobody can beat the Ryans so far. I'm not getting any advertising from the Ryans or all that stuff, but I'm just telling the truth. Like they underprice it right now. Of course, those are a couple of Ryans I say that I advertising, right? Free advertising. They sold out. But here's the deal. I'm gonna switch to speakers. I will run next experiment. So on this case, if you ask me, Mike, what you gonna go to personal with this between two speakers, I go. That's it. Check my other playlist and let's run the different scenarios.